Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it is so good to be filming again. Hopefully you would have seen the video I was able to release today to kind of let you know where I'm at, but I'm super excited to be back. Now, I do not have samples for my Stamp Club reveal. You guys can understand that, I know, and I'm so sorry about that. I hope to be able to make some samples and put them out there for you guys on social media or somewhere. We're going to figure that out. And by next month, we'll be back to where we should be. If you're not familiar, we have a stamp club. It's a lot of fun. It's a mystery club. You never know what you're going to get. It's really affordable. It's only $11.99 a month if you're in the U.S. Outside the U.S., it's $13.49. You don't pay shipping, and you get a 15% discount in our store. So consider joining it. I think you'd enjoy it. This one was a lot of fun to create. We had a lot of fun doing it, and I'm not going to tell you it's my very favorite. It is. You know, every one of them is my favorite because they're like my kids, right? I love them. Okay, so let me show you this little set for the fall. Look how cute this is. This set is called Oh Nuts. I have wanted to do squirrels forever. I just think squirrels are the cutest things, and we have a bazillion squirrels in our yard, and my girls, my weenie dogs, for some reason think they can climb trees and get them, but they can't. I tell them all the time, you can try, but you're never going to make it up there. And I think the squirrels know it, and they tease them, and they just crack me up. So I think you're going to enjoy this set. I know some of you guys have told me that squirrel is a nickname for someone in your family, so you'd really like to have this. So I hope this really fills a bill for you guys. But check it out. We have this precious little squirrel, 1, 2, 3 different poses for you there, plus a little log that he can sit on. All of these can sit on the log, and this one on the log is so precious, by the way. Then we've got nut thing means more to me than you. How about nuttin' compares to you? How about oh nuts? And this one, this might be a corny card, but it was made just for you. So acorny, this might be a corny card, but it was made just for you. So you got a big old acorn to go with that. Here you have all these little nuts. I thought Sylvia did such a good job. She got acorns, a couple of different styles of acorns. This is a walnut, the way it's laid out there, but I think we could use that for other things, even maybe a coffee bean. This, I started with acorn, and then this is a pecan. So I thought that was kind of smart. And then look, 2 little leaves. How precious. I just love this little set. I think it's going to be fun to play with. Whenever we do a critter set like this, I like to give you 3 critters. And the reason is, if you've ever seen the cards that have the like circles cut out and the little critters are popping out of each, I just think it's so cute to have the little critters in 3 different poses popping out of the circles. So that's one reason I do it. But the other reason is, come on, how could you pick just one of these guys? You just couldn't. It's too cute, and I cannot wait. I have so many ideas in my head. Like, can you see this as an easel card with the little stump like sticking up on the easel and the squirrel hanging out the top? So cute. Don't forget, when you purchase any of our stamp sets, which you don't have to be in the club to get this, there's also some in the store. They're just a little more expensive if you're not in the club, but it's $1 more actually. But you get a free SVG with these guys that you can use in your cutting machine, your Cricut, your Silhouette, your Brother Scan & Cut, whatever takes SVGs, you can use it. So these little guys will cut out for you, and it'll be super fun to make all kinds of cute little projects. I think he's adorable. I hope you guys do too. When he came in, I already knew he was cute, but when he came in and I saw the set itself, we got really excited because he's perfect. And I hope you guys enjoy him as much as we do. And you guys know how this works. Every month we have a contest for you guys. So when you get your stamp set, if you get it through the club or you purchase it either way, take a photo of a project that you do and post it to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com. When you do, that becomes your entry to win a $50 gift card to our store. So we'll have a winner for last month. In the description will be the first name at the top, be the first thing in the description. So you need to open that up. And then you can enter just by putting a project up. It can be anything, a card, a bookmark, an album, whatever you do using the stamp set, post a photo of it, and that's your entry. And listen, if you guys need inspiration, I know today I don't have any samples for you. I feel really bad about that, but we'll get back to that. But if you need inspiration, you can totally go to that customer gallery. You guys are so talented and you give great ideas, and it's like our very own Pinterest of over 2,000 posts. So you need to go and check that out. All right, guys, this is our set for this month. I think it's super cute. Go ahead and pick yours up. Don't miss it. It's super fun. What all can you put on this stump? Everything in your whole collection. Can you see a snowman on there? Or Santa upside down from the little, oh, that'd be cute. Like Santa up doing handstand on it would be cute. Or elves in a package. So much we can do with that. Hey, thanks so much for being here today. Till next time. Bye now.